We're going to work on warm up 23, which is talking about we're writing equations of lines. So and finding domain and range. So I want you to pause the video and see if you can answer these two, and then come back and we'll go over them and we'll see how you did. Kay joined a book club that charges a one-time joining fee of $16 plus a monthly membership of $25. Which equation describes the total cost C of the club membership for M months? What you should see first is there is a one-time joining fee. Okay, that one-time joining fee is your constant. That is what you're only going to have to pay for one time. See, if I made a table and I talked about it at time 0, before I ever got to pay for my membership, just to be able to sign up for the book club, it's going to cost me $16. That's my y-intercept. So the next thing it says is the monthly membership is $25. That means that after 1 month, it goes up by $25. So what is that? 30, 41, I believe now. Okay, so this is my rate of change or my slope. Oh, I was going to write rate of slope, rate of change. So the 25 is what goes with the variable. It's got to be 25x or m in this case. So right here, 25m, yes, 25m. These two do not have it, so I would cross out C and D. But again, we're going up and we're adding. So what you should have gotten was A. A should have been your answer. Now on your next one, it says the amount of money that Jacob spends on video game rentals depends on how many videos he rents. If Jacob has at most $50 to spend on his videos this month, and the videos rentals cost $275 each, what is the domain of the function? All right, couple different things. First, we need to figure out what is going on here for our numbers. At time 0, let's see here. So this is going to be the rentals. And this is going to be the amount of money. Before he rents anything, he has $50. That's what it says. After one rental, we're going to subtract $275 from it. So if I go here and I do 50 minus 2.75, I get $47.25. Again, and the next one, take away 275, and it becomes $44.50. Now it wants to know the domain. That's what it says right here, domain. Hopefully you remember domain means X. Well, one thing, I need to change the blue. I keep trying to write it in yellow. So my domain is going to be these numbers right here. So it starts at 0, but here's my situation. It's going to go up to some number. I just don't know what when I run out of the money. But one thing I know is that I can cross out A and C. Does anybody realize why you can cross out A and C? Because those are continuous. When you rent a video game, you're either going to rent 1 or 0, 1 or 2. You have to do whole numbers. So that means that these cannot be answer choices. The data has to be discrete, has to be specific points. Now, when do we run out of money? If we keep going down, I need to figure out, now if you look, it either ends at 18 or at 19. So let's see what happens. Let's do this. If I take 19 times 275, oh, my pen's not writing. Let's see if I can get this to write nicer. 19 times 275. What do you get? Well, 19 times 275, you get $52.25. Well, that won't work because we only have $50. So this can't be the answer. But if I take 18 times 275, 18 times 275, you get $49.50. That's under our $50 budget, so your answer should have been D.